it. Open it.
This one?
Yeah, don't
Same.
that.
Ini guys, regalo niya guys, mama niya.
What is this?
I don't know.
This is real good. Oh,
Ah,
Do you like it?
yeah,
it's
good.
ribbon.
That's true. That's ano na,
Yeah.
maganda yan. It's true.
What?
Kung ano yan, totoo yan.
Yes.
What is this one?
See the
It's matching.
Yeah.
yeah.
How much are these?
It's phonable, this one.
This is
If it's okay if you wear it every day, it's not gonna tarnish, girl. Compared to your hikaw, it's tarnished.
this is gold.
That's why I bought this one.
This is real gold.
It's good.
You like it?
Try ko na. Try natin. You like it? Look at this, oh.
You like it? Ay nak.
Look at this.
Mga idol, milihan ng asawa ko ng ano.
Grabe ganda.
Alahas yung anak ko.
Are these costed?
Don't ask because it's too expensive. Ano yun nito?
Ipaprank ko sana si idol. Kaso parang ano,
For the...
ayaw ko sa prank. Ano ko sa anak ko.
Because I saw you. Oh my gosh, no, it's good.
Good nak. Huwag masyadong maigpit. Ayan mga idol. Siyang ano, niregaluhan ng nanay niya ng ano. Tutong ano, tutong alahas.
Ang ganda.
Ang ganda oh.
Why are you both recording?
Oh.